Welcome back to Everything Home with Penny. In today's video, we are going to be making a Christmas pomander. For today's project, we are going to be making fruit pomanders. The items that you're going to need is some type of citrus fruit. What I read is that you will need a thick-skinned fruit, and the thickest skinned orange is a navel orange. So that's what I'm using today. You're going to need cloves and pens, and I am using the pearl top pen. You don't have to have a pearl top pen, but I'm using these because they're just really pretty. Hope you can see that. I think the pearl makes the orange look really pretty. And you can use ribbon of your choosing. Scissors to cut, and I suggest a base for your orange to keep your orange stable. All right, and now we will begin. So how I begin this project is I will cut 2 pieces of ribbon, basically around the same size, and I'm going to first wrap my navel and tie it in a bow, a nice tight bow. And then I will grab a pen and stick it in the top like that. I'm gonna tie it in a bow. Well, of course, it would be difficult whenever I do this on camera. I'm not doing it on camera. This is just fine. Doesn't it always happen? All right. And then once I have my bow secure, let me see if I can move this in a little bit better. Okay, then I will add another pen to secure the bow, just like that. I think I'll add another one, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take more pens and secure the bottom because I don't want the ribbon moving around. I just want to secure it. Just like that. And then I'm going to do another ribbon, and I'm just going to do it on the opposite side. I'm going to tie it in a bow. As tight as possible. Secure with some pens. Get in there. All right, and then we will attempt to do another bow. Sometimes it's like this, but we'll get it. All right, there we go. And we're going to add 2 more pens to secure. You definitely have a very thick skin navel. It is hard to puncture. And see, this is where I get the pearl top. I think it just gives it an extra wow factor. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to remove my base and I'm going to cut the excess ribbon. at an angle. Just like that. Let's see, another long one, yeah. I'm just going to keep going all the way around. So keep the base. Hold tight, everybody. All right. Just like so. So now at this point, we can go ahead and start adding our clove. Uh-oh, well, we got a straggler here. All right, so we're gonna add our cloves to this side. You can use a pen to puncture your orange so that that's a guide for you, but I don't. I just go ahead and just start adding my cloves, and you can automatically, immediately smell the orange and the cloves. Smells so good. We're gonna keep doing this. Any design that you want. And we're just gonna add cloves until we get to the very end. Just like that, you just keep going. And this is basically the start of your fruit pomander. And you just keep going all the way around. Let me show you. So this is my finished product for my fruit pomanders. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. You can literally sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor with these beautiful fruit pomanders. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. It's something about the way things smell that take you back to a certain place and time. Every time that I make fruit pomanders and I smell them, it just takes me back to every single year that my mom would make these. I dedicate this video to my mother. I love you and I miss you so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that the senses take you back to a place and time that's sentimental to you. Once you like and subscribe, you too can become one of my very lucky pennies. We will see you in the next Everything Home with Penny.